is Math with RHB, and we're looking at we're looking at prime and composite numbers. That's lesson 20. Get this a little closer to the screen. Prime and composite numbers. And using the overhead, we're going to take a look at more exploration of numbers and how knowing numbers can help you do all kinds of other parts of your mathematics. A little bright. Make sure this is on the screen here. Where are we? There we are. Alright, so we're doing prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers, I'm going to move this over a bit. Prime numbers have only two factors, the number 1 and the number itself. They're called prime numbers. Composite numbers have more than two factors. The number 1 is not considered a prime nor a composite number. Right? You might be using the number 1, but it is not considered either prime or composite. So I'm going to hike this up a little. We're going to look at some examples. List the factors, and then you're going to state whether the number is prime or composite. Use a P for prime, use a C for composite. So I'm going to go up a little farther. Make sure you can see that on the screen, sort of. Move over a little, there we go. Alright, so 29. What are the factors of 29? Factors are all the numbers that we'll divide evenly into 29. So we start at 1, because it will obviously go evenly. There isn't any other numbers other than 29 itself. So therefore this is a prime number, P. It only has two factors, 1 and 29. 14, 1 for sure. Again, we've got those arrows. Don't put an equal sign because these numbers are not going to equal 14. 1, 2 times 7 will work, and 14. So this one's a composite number. It has more than two factors. Hike it up a little. 49. 1, 2 won't go evenly. 3 won't go evenly. 4 won't go evenly. 5, 6, 7 will go evenly. And what else do we have? Anything else? 49. Now, 7 is a factor of 49. 7 times 7 gives you 49. You don't have to write 7 twice. Once it's a factor, you don't need it listed twice as a factor. So we just have 3 there. So this is a composite number. Has more than two factors, so it can't be prime. Now list all the prime numbers. Move this up a little again. List all the prime numbers less than 25. So what are our options? Oh, sorry, less than 25 and greater than 8. So greater than 8 start at 9. Is 9 a prime number? No, it has more than two factors. 10, it doesn't work either. 11 has only two factors, so 11's our first one. 12 has more than 2. 13 only has 2. 14, we already know, has more than 2, so that one's not going to work. 15 has more. 16 has more. 17 is our next one. 18, 1, 2, it has more than 2. 19. Oops, it's supposed to be a 9. 19. 20 has more than 2. 21, 22, 23 will be our next one. 24 has more than 2. 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 numbers that are greater than 8 but less than 25 that are prime numbers. 11, 13, 17, 19, and 23. Last thing, list all the composite numbers less than 15 that have 4 factors. So they might include other things. So it has to be less than 15. So we start, 1 is not a prime or composite, so skip it. 2 is not a composite number, it only has 1 and 2. 3 isn't either. 4, it has 3, so 4 less than 15. 4 has 1, 2 times 2, and 4. So it only has 3 factors, so that's not going to work. 5, 1, and 5, so that's a prime number, so we're going to 6. 6 has 1, 2, 3, and 6, so it has 4 factors. 7 is a prime number. We're looking at composite numbers here. So 8, 1, 2, 4, and 8. Let's see here. 9 is 1, 3, and 9. No, that won't work. 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. So it has 4 factors. 11 is a prime. 12 won't work. It has more than that. 13 is a prime. 14. 14 is 1, 2, 7, and 14. So those are the only options that you have. So you have prime numbers, composite numbers. Prime numbers have 2 factors, composite has more than 2 factors. If it's a factor once, you don't have to write it a second time.